excessive secrecy has led to grave misdeeds against loyal civil servants, military personnel, and the public, all to hide the fact that we are not alone in the cosmos.
What the f is that?
About what we call UFOs, but the government calls UAPs.
We really don't have to go outside of our stratosphere to see our government being very secretive and not very trustworthy.
What the heck? Did I just record? What?
These are people who lied to our faces about the border and about the Chinese spy balloon. If that's the credibility and you're saying there's nothing to worry about here, that makes me think there's something to worry about here.
On December 28, 2024, a Reddit user by the name of Life is Dank, I think, captured this captivating footage of what appears to be a cluster of 9 glowing orange orbs flying over the city of Madrid, in what appears to be a constellation-like pattern. The user noted that he saw this up in the sky as he was walking home from the pub, and that he even opened up flight radar expecting to see a bunch of planes, but nothing showed up. But as this was taking place nearly 4,000 miles away in Queens, New York, the same exact glowing orbs were spotted floating in the night sky. Except here there were just 4 orbs, also holding a clean constellation-like shape.
What the f is that? Bro, I'm about to pull over on this.
Yeah, I think you should.
Bro.
What the f is that?
Yo.
We're seeing it live. Watch, there's a big ass hole right there.
Where? Right here?
Yeah. What the f is that?
Babe. What the f is
And
that?
they're in sync with each other.
Not to mention that these orbs are flying in what's supposed to be a no-fly zone. Then, just 29 miles away on the same night, this was spotted above Staten Island, New York.
No, this is crazy. I don't know what is going on today, but what is this? Not the only one seeing this, is it?
Then, on the same night 1,700 miles away in Austin, Texas, a Facebook user by the name of Jeremy Fairbanks uploaded this footage of what appears to be a cluster of 3 orbs hovering above Austin.
Showed up all of a sudden, appeared. I decided to go ahead and get the cell phone to see what we're looking at here. I do have my binoculars. It's not going to help the camera. I'm zooming in again. This is Friday night. You know, from this distance here, these look like those plasmoids. I can't tell. This is outside Austin, Texas right now, Friday night. Getting film of this. So they're here too. Whatever they are. Keep you posted if I see more. One of these just got super bright. The other one disappeared, but man, this thing is glowing bright right now, wanting everybody to know it's here. Guys, again, this is outside Austin, Texas. We got the orbs out here tonight. Those don't look like drones. Sorry, that's all I got's this iPhone. And that's what I'm getting. All right, so this is Austin, Texas, Friday night. I filmed 3 orbs earlier. This other one's there. You can see that red light in the distance on the tree line. That's the towers. Again, when I first came out here, there were 2, and I wasn't gonna film them because I didn't think it was anything, and all of a sudden 3 were there.
With each passing day, sightings of these mysterious plasmoids are becoming alarmingly more frequent. What began as isolated incidents in New Jersey has now expanded across the entire globe. Yet, despite this worldwide phenomenon, our governments remain silent, offering no answers or explanations for what's unfolding in our skies. This silence raises a chilling question. Do any of the world's governments even understand what's happening? Many believe they're just as clueless as the rest of us. Others, however, suspect something far more sinister, that these sightings are part of a deliberate operation by shadowy powers, orchestrating an elaborate deception that could change the course of humanity forever. Here is a clip out of Barcelona, Spain, that was taken on December 27th of what appears to be a UFO traveling across the sky. Now take into consideration that this is the exact same night that the cluster of orange orbs were spotted over Madrid, just 300 miles away. What exactly are these glowing orange orbs appearing in the skies across the world? Are they just an unexplained natural phenomenon, secret military technology, or could they be something far more extraordinary? With some believing that these are actually massive UFO motherships cloaked in plain sight. Just in the last month alone, sightings of these mysterious orange orbs have been reported from every corner of the globe. Witnesses describe them as glowing spheres of light, eerily silent, and often moving with intelligence and precision. These are not the erratic movements of drones or the random flicker of weather phenomena. Instead, they seem deliberate, as if observing and testing the waters of human awareness. Many theorists believe these orbs are more than standalone objects. Could they be projections or smaller crafts launched from a hidden mothership? Some suggest that these glowing orbs are part of a larger extraterrestrial presence, subtly revealing itself to humanity. If so, why now? What is their purpose? The timing of these sightings has led to speculation that something monumental is on the horizon. Could these orbs be preparing humanity for a momentous event, a direct encounter with an advanced civilization? Or do they serve as harbingers of a significant shift in global events, one that may forever alter the course of human history? Theories abound. Some argue that these visitors are here to guide humanity through a crucial period of change, offering wisdom and understanding that could help us navigate an uncertain future. Others believe their presence may not be as benevolent, suggesting these glowing orbs could be part of an agenda we're not yet privy to. As the sightings grow more frequent and the orbs appear in even the most unexpected places, the question becomes impossible to ignore. Is the world on the brink of a revelation? Are these glowing orange orbs silent witnesses to our planet's transformation, or active participants in an unfolding cosmic drama? For now, the answers remain out of reach, hovering just beyond our understanding. But one thing is certain, these orange orbs are not here by coincidence. As they continue to light up the skies, humanity watches with equal parts wonder and trepidation, waiting for the moment when their true purpose is finally revealed. Let me know down in the comments what you think these orange glowing orbs might possibly be, and stay tuned as I work to bring you the most accurate and relevant UFO sightings across the globe.